not a scientist, we're gonna be making bird feeders. The only materials you'll need for these bird feeders is pipe cleaner and Cheerios. After you make your bird feeder, you can try making a whole bunch of different shapes with your bird feeders and see if they attract different birds or different amounts of birds. Or you can try putting your bird feeders in different areas around your house, see if that changes anything. Or even you can try making your bird feeders and putting them out in different seasons of the year and see what the changes are with that. The question for this video is, what is your favorite animal? Comment down your answer.
Oh, yeah, na, hey, yeah, hey.